Hello students, once again I am back with the final topic of linear equation, that is application of simultaneous equation. In short we say word problems. So I have already written 4 sums so that we can save time. So we'll just go through it. Perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. Find the length and breadth. Now in quadratic equation we had only one variable. Now here simultaneous equation it is easier because we have two variables. So they have asked you find the length and breadth. So I am going to say, right, suppose length is x and breadth is y. I'll read again. Perimeter of the rectangle is 40 centimeter. So you should know the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. You know the formula for perimeter of the rectangle is 2 length plus 2 breadth. Yes. So here it will be 2x plus 2y means equal to 40 centimeter. So I got this equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 40 centimeter is my first equation. Now, what is the given condition next? The length of the rectangle. Now we have said the length of the rectangle is x. So length of the rectangle means equal to more than means plus double its breadth means 2y by 2, that is 2. Okay, then we are going to write this in a standard form. That is x, this will come here, minus 2y plus is equal to 2. This is my second equation. Again I will repeat. The length of the rectangle which we have considered as x is means equal to the length of the rectangle is more than, that is plus here I have written, then double its breadth is y, so 2 times by 2, that is plus 2. Then I have written it in the form of standard form, variable on one side, number on other side. Now we are just going to solve this. Okay, I will solve it here. It is 2x plus 2y is equal to 40, one equation, and x, yes, again this we can reduce it, right, because 2 is common. So dividing throughout by 2 I will be getting x plus y is equal to 20. And this will be my, so this will be my actually first equation, okay. And then here it is x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is my second equation. Now you know the elimination method. This is x, that is variable with same coefficient 1 and 1, and signs are also same, so you are doing subtraction. When we are doing subtraction, what happens? Signs will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So 1 plus 1 minus will get cancelled. Both are plus, you are going to do plus with plus sign, that is 3y. And 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign, that is 18. Variable on one side, number on other side, you are getting 18 divided by 3, that is 3, 6. So you got the value for y is equal to 6. Now you can substitute this y is equal to 6 in any one of this equation, and that we will take in the first. So substituting x plus y is equal to 20 in x plus y is equal to 20, I'll get x plus 6 is equal to 20. Variable on one side, number on other side, plus 6 comes here, it becomes minus 6. Here it is 14. So x I got 14. Then you have to write the length of the rectangle. L is what? 14. And the breadth of the rectangle is how much? 6. Okay, if they have mentioned centimeter or anything, you have to write that centimeter. Okay, so this is how we have solved the sum. What is important in this sum? You should know the formula for perimeter. So the formula for perimeter is 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, so as per the condition we have written it. Then the length of the rectangle, means you have to consider the length of the rectangle as x, is means equal to double then its breadth. So this by how much? 2. So plus 2. So this is how we got the first sum. Okay. Now we take the second one. Two numbers differ by 3. So again, no problem at all because we have two variables. So one number is naturally greater and the other number is smaller. So I may consider x as a greater number and smaller number as y. So two numbers differ, means greater number minus smaller number. So x minus y by 3, that is equal to 3. So this is my first equation. The sum of twice the smaller number. Now what is the smaller number? Y. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number. Greater number is 3. X. So thrice means 3x. Sum means plus. And twice the smaller number means 2y. Is nothing but 19 he is saying. That is dot 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 2. Nothing is common, so we can't divide anything. So now here if you see the coefficients are not same both way. So I will multiply this equation by 2 so that I will get 2y. So what I will write? I will just write below it 2x minus 2y is equal to 3 2 is 6. That is my equation 3. Okay, now these two equations I can solve. Coefficients are same, signs are opposite, so you are doing addition. Plus minus will get cut. 3 plus 2 is 5x. 9 plus 1 10, 15 carry 1 25. Variable on one side, number on other side. 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. So I got x is equal to 25. Okay, they have asked you to find the numbers. So substituting x is equal to 5 in any one of the equation, I will substitute here. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is that? X minus y is equal to 3. So that is 5 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 5. That is minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, which are the numbers? So, you are going to write the numbers are 2 and 5. Yes, 5 and 2. So, this is how it is very simple once you understand the given condition and you are able to form the equation. Okay. So, this is our second sum. Now, we will try the third sum. Here they are mentioned sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Okay, find their present ages. Now, sum of the father's age. So, we will consider, let father's age be x. Okay, and let us consider the son's age as y. Now, we read the condition again. Sum of the father's age. So, sum means plus. Father's age is x. And age and twice the age of his son. Son's age is twice. So, 2y is means equal to 70. So, this is how simply we have done our first equation by reading the given condition. Now, the next condition. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son. Double the age of father means 2x. And add it to his son, that is y. Yes? And add it to the age of his son. The sum is 95. This is my second equation. This you can do one time addition, one time subtraction also, or you want you can multiply this equation by 2. Okay, we'll multiply this equation by 2. So what I'm getting? 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. This is my third equation. So now coefficients are same, signs are same. You are going to do subtraction. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So 1 plus, 1 minus will get cancelled. 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign, that is minus 3y. 1 plus, 1 minus, minus with greater number sign, that is 45. Minus minus will get cancelled. Variable on one side, number on other side. 45 divided by 3, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 5s are. So you got y is equal to 15. Now substituting y is equal to 15 in any one of the equation, we will substitute here x plus 2y is equal to 70. Okay, substituting y is equal to 15 in this equation. Yes, equation 1 you can write. Now what is that? X plus 2 into 15 is equal to 70. X plus 30 is equal to 70. Variable on one side, number on other side, 70 minus 30. So x is equal to 40. So father's age, you are going to write father's age is 40 years, don't forget to write years, and son's age is 15 years. So once you are reading the word problem, you should be able to form the equation, and then by elimination method you are simply solving it. Okay, now we'll take the last sum. Now, I have written in short, for D represents denominator. Denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. So now fraction means numerator upon denominator. This they have asked you, right? So now we have to consider like numerator. Let us consider the numerator to be x and the denominator to be y. So now what he is saying, denominator of a fraction. So denominator is what? Y. Denominator of a fraction is means equal to 4 more means plus 4. Then twice its numerator, that is 2x. Okay, this is how I have simply written what they have asked us to do. Y is equal to 2x plus 4. So now I'll just write this in a standard form. So if I want to bring this here, it becomes minus. Rather than that, I'll take this here. So it will be 2x. This will come here. It will become minus. And this will go here. Means it will become minus 4. Okay. Right hand side as it is, this comes here, it becomes minus, this goes there, means it is minus 4. So 2x minus y is equal to 4 is my first equation. Okay. Now we'll see the second condition. Denominator becomes, now denominator is y. So becomes means again equal to. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. But before that, what we have to say is that the numerator and denominator is reduced by 6. So it is x minus 6 and the denominator is y minus 6. Again I read, denominator becomes 12 times, denominator is what? Y, denominator becomes 12 times the numerator, 12 times the numerator, that is 12x. 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. So here I am going to write this like y minus 6 is equal to 12 into bracket x minus 6. This is the simple meaning of that what I have written, and then why it is reduced by 6. So I have written to y minus 6 is equal to 12 into bracket x minus 6. So now I am going to simply solve this. What I will be getting? Y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. So 12x, this y will come here, minus y is equal to minus 6, this comes here, plus 72. So 12x minus y is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6. So I got this. So this is my second equation. Nothing is common, so I am going to write this as it is. So this I will just erase it, and now I will write this equation. 12x minus y is equal to 66. This is my second equation. Now coefficients are same, signs are same. I am going to do subtraction. Here it will become plus, here it will become minus. 1 plus 1 minus will get cancelled. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign. So minus 10x. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign. So I will be getting 70. Okay. And minus minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 70 upon 10. 0 0 will get cancelled. X is equal to 7. So I got x is equal to 7. This I can substitute in any one of the equation. I can substitute here also. So substituting in this equation, we will write substituting x is equal to 7 in equation 1. I'll substitute here 2 into bracket 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. 7 2s are 14, minus y is equal to minus 4. Minus y is equal to minus 14. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign, that is 18 with minus sign. Minus minus will get cancelled, y is equal to 18. So they have asked you what is the fraction. So now x was your numerator and y was your denominator. X you got 7, so therefore the fraction is 7 upon 18. This is how you have got the required fraction. What you have to remember in this is that denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. So that is why we have taken x minus 6 and y minus 6. Okay, so that is how in the crash course we have tried to cover few sums on word problems, or rather we have covered word problems. Okay, keep practicing. There are many sums in the text. Try to do it. If you have any difficulty, you can just write it in the comment. Okay, we'll try to solve it. And thanks for watching. If you like it, please share with your friends and also subscribe. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.